In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin and unpin a location in Apple Maps on your iPhone. Navigating through maps can sometimes be a daunting task, especially if you're trying to save or delete specific locations for future reference. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it with ease. Let's start by pinning a location. First, you'll need to open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Simply tap on the app icon and you'll be greeted with a map view of your current location or wherever you last browsed. If you don't see your desired region, you can use the search bar at the top to type in the location you want to pin. Once you've found the location you wish to pin, the next step involves dropping a pin on the map. Here's how you do it: tap and hold on the location on the map. After holding for a moment, you'll notice a red pin drop on the spot you selected. Simultaneously, a location card will pop up at the bottom of your screen. This card provides more information about the place you've just pinned, offering details that might be useful for you. Now let's move on to something equally important: unpinned a location. If you find that you no longer need a pin at a certain spot, you can easily remove it by following a couple of steps. Begin by tapping on the pinned location, which is marked by the red pin you previously placed. This action will bring up the location card once more, now showing options related to this specific pin. Once you have the location card open, look for the option that says remove pin, or sometimes it might simply say delete. Tap this option and just like that your pin will be removed from the map. Removing unnecessary pins helps keep your map tidy and focused on only the places that matter to you. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your pinned locations on Apple Maps, making your navigation and map organization much smoother and more personalized. Remember, mastering these small tricks can make your experience with Apple Maps more enjoyable and useful in your daily routine. So there you have it, a simple yet detailed guide on pinning and unpinning locations in Apple Maps using your iPhone. I hope this walkthrough makes your map navigation a little bit easier and stress-free. Don't forget to explore more of what Apple Maps offers, and as always, feel free to let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thank you for watching, and happy mapping.